y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today, by the title, you already know that I am doing a makeup tutorial on the new Juvia's place. This is the disco party. This is how it's looking on the outside, and this is the inside of the palette. So yeah, I'm so excited to try this palette. So if you want to see how this look turns out, keep on watching. And also, if you are new to my channel, check me out, girl. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. So yeah, let's jump into this look. I'm going to base my eyes with the Louise base, and then we're gonna get started. All right, y'all, so I am very close and up personal. So I do want to give you guys a disclaimer. In this video, you will see my new intro and outro. But I just want to let you guys know, if you do see videos after this, it is because those videos were pre-recorded before I did this video, and I'm probably going to do this video because this video is the latest, is the newest thing that's popping right now. So that's why, girl. So anyway, we are going with this shade right here, and I'm just gonna plug it into my crease. So your girl got caught off, so you know I got my energy, so you know I can be myself in this video. So I'm just gonna plug it right here. So both the eyes are done. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, girlfriend. I do not think that you guys saw me film this. So basically I use this shade and this shade, and I'm going in with this shade. And I'm just blending it out. So just in case I didn't do that, I'm going to do it on this eye so you guys can see what I'm doing, because I just looked up and it showed, and it said I was not recording. Like, what? No. Popping, girlfriend. So I'm about to go ahead, throw on my lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, so I finished putting on my lashes. This is how the eye look is looking so far. I apologize if I didn't show you guys. So I want to smoke out my eye, so I'm going to go in with this shade right here. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. Popping, y'all. $10, like, girl, what is you talking about? So once again, this is the palette. This is a matte. This is 2 pressed glitters, and they spread like butter. You will not need a primer. Then this right here is a shimmer shade. I did not use this shade, and this is how it's looking. Very nice though. Wow, I should have used it somewhere. This is very nice. I probably should have used it in my tear duct, but you know, it's too late for all that. So as you can see, I don't have any cons with this palette. This is a plus. If you was to get this, you will not be disappointed at all. That dark blue is just so pigmented, y'all. So yeah, that is all I have to say. Thank you so much for tuning in. Love you all, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye.